Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 tourist places to visit in Cairo, Egypt today. Let's begin our journey through this vibrant city. First up on our list is the iconic Giza pyramids, a true marvel of ancient engineering. Next, don't miss the breathtaking views from the Cairo Tower, offering a panoramic sight of the city. Wander around the historic Khan el-Khalili Bazaar for a taste of traditional Egyptian culture and shopping. Be sure to visit the fascinating Egyptian Museum, home to a vast collection of ancient artifacts. And last but not least, explore the historic Coptic Cairo neighborhood, filled with churches and historic sites. So, whether you're a history buff or just looking for a cultural experience, Cairo has something for everyone. Make sure to pack your camera and your sense of adventure for an unforgettable trip to Cairo. Which of these places are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel tips and guides. God bless you all.